I just like the sound of it. I just like the sound of it. I just like the sound of it. I just like the sound of it.
Okay, so pretty much as you can see, the fuel rail and the injectors are off. All the gasket, well, this gasket isn't off yet. And I've cleaned it. I cleaned it off camera at night. Now you can see how clean it actually is. It took me actually 2 days to do this properly. I've just tried to get as much dirt off as possible because I was gonna keep it like the silver, but then I thought, no, I don't really want that because you can still see a few dirty marks on it, and that's just age related, and I can't really do much about it. I've pretty much cleaned it off camera at night. That's what it's looking like. We're basically going to be rebuilding the airbox with not this air filter now, move that. New gaskets for the manifold, new bolts for the, or nuts for the manifold. This is what was actually causing the misfire. I'll show you here. This has had it. So I bought a new one. This cost me £45, but it's a BMW one, it's a proper one. So what we're going to do today, or carrying on, is we're going to paint this. Yeah, we're also going to clean, well that's a separate video, clean up the airbox, whatever. They're getting sent off. New pipe. That's just a little catch up on what's actually going on. So let's get this painted. Right, so I have a very, very big change of plan. As you saw, the manifold was black and I was detailing it, and then I hit a brick wall where basically, I'm not going to show you yet because I've changed the colour of the manifold, but where the logo was, when I was sanding it away, the logo was disappearing. So I thought, and it was damaged anyway, I'm going to ruin this. If I carry on, I'm going to ruin it. So it's changed, and I actually like it 20 million times more than the black. I haven't completely finished it yet, but here we go. It's not black anymore, it's now almost stock. But I like it so much more. Like, I haven't finished it, it needs another coat. You can see some dark patches on it, but we'll give that another coat now. And then we would have finally finished the manifold. Jesus, I've been on this for so long. It looks a lot better. I'm just gonna say, I'm still keeping the rocker cover black. I'm gonna make it with the grey lines and the grey logo because it'll be a lot easier. It's just because this was so small and detailing. Like you can see here, it's like got a lip, and this bit just doesn't, because I don't know what happened before. It was just damaged already, because I looked back on old pictures and it was still damaged. What we're going to do now, give it one more coat, and then that's going to be pretty much the end of the video. We've finally finished the manifold and I'm actually happy with it. I can upload the video, and I know it was a big change of plan. There's a lot of learning to do on this channel. Like, I'm new to cars. I've been into cars for about 2 years now, but still I've got a lot of learning to do, and I learned a lot on this manifold and stuff I should have probably done in the first place, but I suppose this is a big learning curve for me. Let's just give this another coat and then we should be done. God, that's close. Okay, so we finally give it the last coat. There's a few little touch-up bits I need to do. That is the end of the first video back on YouTube with the manifold painted, and I'm really happy about it. And you're probably wondering, why didn't I just spray it all black? And then the more I looked at it, the more I started to dislike it. And now it's gone back to silver. It's actually a better silver than the stock version. I just think it looks a lot cleaner. It just looks a lot better, and we've got a bit of black on. And to be fair, everyone does the black manifold with the grey kind of detailing on it. So I thought, you know what, I'm going stock again. You can't go wrong with it, and it looks really nice personally. From it looking quite dodgy actually. So yeah, that was the manifold. We finally got it done. A lot of learning. I learned a lot. Stuff I shouldn't have done. Stuff I should have done. But that's it now, and we're back. I promise you, I'm not going to disappear again. We're making videos. I want to get my car finished. Just enjoy what's to come, and I would love to hear some advice and some feedback from you guys. So yeah, doing some car features as well. I've got 3 cars lined up. They're proper beastly cars, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you did enjoy. I am back now making videos for the E30. If you are new around here, and even if you want tutorials on how to do little things, I will do them if requested, but my main goal isn't to always do tutorials. It's about getting this build finished actually. But if you're new around here, subscribe, hit the notification button, and you'll get notified when I upload, and just build this channel back up. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video.